Welcome this video. Bedroom idea for smart room. Maximize space and style. Decoration. A smart bedroom can be challenged, but with the right idea, you can transforming even the term space into a style functional and choosy retreat. Whether you have work with a compact apart, a guest room, or a shared space, those ideas will help you maximize even switch inch without comparing on aesthetic. Choose multifunctional furniture. One of the most affecting way to make the most of your smart bedroom is by use multifunctional furniture. Consider bed with built-in storage drawer follow depth or a wall mount which follow up into the wall can be also great space save solve give you main room and move area due to day. Lights, color, and maximizes design. Lights, color such as best bring in paste can make a smart room feel long and more open. A maximizes apart keep only furniture and decor read cut and enhance the feel of more space.